The humble eraser explodes with force of 1 billion nuclear bombs when you apply just the right pressure. This tiny, seemingly innocuous eraser has been hiding a secret for centuries. Its ability to erase mistakes and correct errors has made it an indispensable tool for artists, writers, and students alike. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes an eraser work so effectively? It all starts with the unique combination of materials used to make an eraser. Imagine a mixture of kaolin clay, silicone, and pigment particles coming together to form a tiny, yet mighty, force. When you apply pressure to the eraser, the particles begin to break down and bond with the surface they are trying to erase. But that's not the strangest part. The eraser also creates a tiny explosion of sorts, releasing microscopic particles into the air. Wait until you hear what comes next. Scientists have discovered that these particles can even affect the environment around them. It's a phenomenon that's been observed in everything from dust particles to ocean currents. This tiny explosion is a testament to the incredible power of chemistry and physics at work. You see, when you apply pressure to an eraser, the molecules are essentially breaking apart and recombining in a new way. It's like a miniature chemical reaction that's happening right before your eyes. And just like a chemical reaction, it requires the right conditions to occur. In this case, the conditions are the precise combination of materials and pressure. Butterfly effect, anyone. A tiny change in pressure can have a massive impact on the outcome. It's a reminder that even the smallest actions can have far-reaching consequences. Now, imagine if we could harness this power to create new technologies and materials. The possibilities are endless, and it all starts with understanding how something as simple as an eraser works. But before we can do that, let's take a step back and explore the science behind the eraser.
So, how does an eraser actually erase things? It all comes down to the unique properties of the materials used to make the eraser. The kaolin clay, for example, is incredibly soft and gentle, yet it's also incredibly effective at erasing marks.
It's like a tiny, microscopic magic trick that happens right before your eyes. And just like any magic trick, there's always a bit of science behind it. So, what happens when you apply pressure to the eraser? The particles begin to break down and bond with the surface they're trying to erase. It's a process that's both fascinating and slightly unsettling at the same time. But don't worry, it's completely safe and actually quite useful. In fact, the eraser has become an essential tool in many industries, from art to medicine. And it's all thanks to the incredible power of chemistry and physics at work. But that's not the only thing that's surprising about erasers. They also have a fascinating history. Did you know that erasers were first invented in the 18th century? They were made from a combination of rubber and sulfur, and were used primarily for erasing pencil marks. Fast forward to the present day, and erasers have become an essential tool in many industries. From art to medicine, erasers are used to correct mistakes and create new designs. And it's all thanks to the incredible power of chemistry and physics at work. So, what can we learn from the humble eraser? For one, it's a reminder that even the smallest actions can have far-reaching consequences. It's also a testament to the incredible power of chemistry and physics at work. And finally, it's a reminder that even the most mundane objects can hold secrets and surprises. Want more mind-blowing facts like this? Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating world of science and technology. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating world of science and technology. Fascinating topic in the world of science and technology.